Hola YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am BeautyByLinnoria, also known as Lynn across all of my social media platforms. We're going to get right into this video. This is going to be our Boxy Luxe box. So the normal monthly box with Boxy Charm is going to run you $21 plus tax each month. The Boxy Luxe is going to run you an additional $28 plus tax each month. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So this way you can determine whether or not the Boxy Luxe is going to be something that's for you, or if you just want to stick with your monthly regular Boxy Charm.
You're my Peter one taking me home. One thing really lead to one.
Okay, and getting right into it. Here is this month's for December. This is our Boxy Luxe. It is definitely a whole lot bigger than our normal $21 box. It comes with several full-size items on the inside. So how about I not drop and break everything? But let's go ahead and review what just fell out the actual box. So getting into this month's first box, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the item that just fell out. This is going to be a body wash infused buffer. And this is by Sponge Gelée Blossom Bliss. And this is their Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. It's a multi-use buffer. This is going to retail for $20. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, I won't actually open this for a very good reason. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you why I'm not opening any of these items. Boxy Charm is a subscription that allows you to actually be able to try new brands, whether it's skincare, whether it's makeup, whether it's hair care that you may not have known about, or may have been a little bit out of your actual price range and you just wanted to kind of try it out before you really bit the bullet and took such a big risk or gamble with making a purchase. And some items when it comes to skincare, hair care, and makeup can be pretty pricey. Boxy Charm is an excellent way for us to start to really build our collections and really explore new brands and new opportunities as far as what we can do as far as makeup, skincare, and hair care is concerned. But this is pretty much a multi-use body loofah with a pre-soaped body loofah. It's already in here, and this is already $20, so this is already a third of the price of the actual box. So that's pretty good. Can't complain about that one. The next thing on the actual list is going to be this, and this is from Luxy. And this is going to be our Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and this is going to retail for $65. This one product is already more than the actual box itself. So this one product paid for everything in the box. So everything else in the box after this point is just icing on the cake, because this is already more than your actual box. But this is going to give you a full face set from Luxy as far as their brushes are concerned. And this is their complete face set. And this is the pink handle set with the rose gold bronze colored ferrules. And you do get 8 items in here. And this box is a storage box, so you're able to actually keep your brushes stored in this box. And this is going to be their complete face set from Luxy. And again, we've seen Luxy come across our box several times within the past few years with Boxy Charm. And it's always a good thing when we get new brushes in from Luxy, because for the most part, the brushes are actually usable and actually become a staple in your makeup collection. So this is the second item in the box. Let's go ahead and pull out the third item. The next thing that came in the box is going to be this Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. And this retails for $20. And this is pretty much a sheer lip gloss that's infused with shimmering glitter. And the shade that I received is an Insta Famous Shimmering Glitter. It has flecks of blue, pink, silver, and a kind of gold iridescent base. It's a really pretty lip gloss, and Tarte has nice lip glosses. They aren't too sticky and they don't dry your lips out. And again, this one retails for $20. So already the price of our box is already over $100 at this point, and we're just 3 items into the actual box. The next item that's coming out of the actual box is going to be by Violet Voss. This is their Pro HG palette, and this is going to retail for $45, and it's pretty much their Holy Grail palette. An excellent value to actually be in this box. That's what I was looking at the paper thinking, because it has over 20 shades in it, and it is an amazing eyeshadow palette. It is so beautiful. It is completely sealed, so I won't break the seal on this just to open it, just to show it to you. But this is the palette that you will get in this month's Boxy Luxe. Of course, you can't resell it because they've already went ahead and blocked it off. So, no, don't do that, people. So, going on to the next item that came across the box, we do have this. This is going to be skincare. And this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this retails for $89. And this is proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and this is everything your skincare routine has been missing. It's been blended with several different items for skin tightening and rejuvenation of your actual skin. It also helps improve the suppleness of your skin and the elasticity of your skin. So pretty much it's anti-aging for the most part. And this particular cream is going to give you 1 fluid ounce. And this is what this one looks like. Since it didn't have a seal, I can actually show you. I'm not going to actually open the actual product, but this is what it actually looks like. With this particular item, when I was actually looking in the box, I opened the box. I always open my boxes so I can actually review my boxes to try to see if I can do a get ready with me box. When I opened this box, something else came to mind for me in the spirit of the holiday season. I'm actually not keeping anything in this month's BoxyCharm. This is actually going to be going into my giveaway. I'm actually going to give the entire box away as soon as I reach 100 subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway. It'll be all of these items in this month's Boxy Luxe, as well as a couple other items that I've been gathering behind me for my subscribers who have been so supportive and that are working with me and helping me to actually reach my YouTube goals. So stay tuned for that, because pretty much all of this, everything you're seeing now, although it is an unboxing, so you see exactly what you get with Boxy Luxe, but for me, it's also going to be a give back, a way to do a giveaway for my actual subscribers. But let's go ahead and move on to the next item. The next thing that actually came in the box is going to be from Wander Beauty, and this is their Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette, and this retails for $26. And this particular item looks like this. And if you're fair tone, I could definitely see you being able to really use and get some use out of some of these shades. But if you're super fair or super dark, you're not going to be able to use this. This is really for tan and medium skin tones, because the highlight in this is kind of a gold highlight, but it can run just a little deep on lighter skin complexions. And the blush is a really dark blush. The first blush in here is a little bit more universal, just depending on your skin tone. If you're dark complexion, this isn't going to work for you. This would be the most universal one. With a light hand, it would actually make sense. And this highlighter would only make sense for tan and medium to tan complected. If you're light or super dark, this probably will not actually work for you. But again, I'm not going to actually swatch or do anything with it, because somebody's going to win the entire box. The next thing in our box is going to be this Grandiose Mascara. And this Grande Mascara, I'm so sorry, this is from Grande Cosmetics, and this retails for $25. I'm not sure if I told you, but the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette, this retails for $26. The mascara retails for $25. Pretty much this is supposed to give you extra length and volume while promoting healthier lashes with your new Grande Mascara. They say it's infused with a lash-loving blend of peptides, pathenols, and natural waxes to really help coat your lashes and also increase the health of your actual lashes. So this will be going in there as well. And of course, I'm not going to open and do anything with this, because you know mascara does have shelf life, and as soon as you open it, it starts to count down for the 3 months. So definitely not going to open or do anything with that. The next thing in the box is our pretty young thing. This is PYT. It's a mini hair straightener, and this retails for $75, and it's pretty much just a hair straightener that they gave us. It's the little one right here, and the shade that I got, yeah, it's the turquoise one. This is exactly what it looks like. And it's going to be, it's the Girls World. And let's see if I could even, because I don't want to, it's sealed right here on the side, and I don't want to break the seal since it's not mine and I'm not keeping it. So here it is on the inside. You can probably barely see it a little bit. And it's an actual pouch. When you fold it open, you'll see the actual flat iron. It slides into this pouch, and the cord goes on the outside of the pouch, and you just keep it closed like this. So this is really great if you're traveling, or if you're in college and you don't have a lot of space and room, or if you are in, you know, a smaller apartment, different things like that. This is something that'll be really great for you. And again, this one retails for $75, and going into the giveaway. One of the last things that we got in the box came from Crimes of Beauty, and this is a wristlet and a portable charger, and this is for $22. So this is pretty much a fake leather bag, and it is going to give you a portable charger that is compatible with your iPhone and your Android devices, so you can charge them through any USB port. So it gives you glam AF, glam as fuck, a glam AF beauty bag. And on the inside of the beauty bag right here is your portable charger for your USB charger. So if you have an Android device or an iPhone or an Apple device, this will actually be able to charge you on the go. So this is really great. So this entire box, everything in this entire box is going to one of my lucky subscribers. Really, in all honesty, guys, I just want to thank you guys so much for being supportive and for supporting me and being there. I know a lot of you guys come from either my Google Plus, my Instagram, or my Facebook. So you already knew that I was starting my YouTube long before I even posted my first video. And then when I posted my video, you guys came right along and subscribed. And for that, I am eternally grateful. I just want to say thank you so much. And as a way of me saying thank you, this entire box this month is going to be yours. And again, yeah, keep watching my videos and keep looking at my videos, because as soon as I cross the threshold of 100 subscribers, this, along with some other items, will be going up for grabs in an actual giveaway. And because it is my first giveaway, I'm just going to pick one winner, and I'm not going to personally pick that winner. I'm going to have an automated system just randomly pick the actual winner. But again, yeah, this is this month's Boxy Charm. If you've seen anything that you may be interested in, or if it's something here that, you know, really piqued your interest, definitely go ahead and go to Boxy Charm, to the website. Down below, I'm going to have their actual link, and I'm going to have my referral code. Now, it's not a commission, or I don't get paid anything for it. But if you actually sign up on that code, you will get an actual 500 charms. The charms is something you're able to actually purchase products with on Boxy Charm, and they'll actually send you a free gift. I did have one of my subscribers sign up last month. She did reach out to me for my actual code. And when you do that, Boxy Charm sends the new person signing up something and the original person something. So what they sent me was this. It's the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. They put this in our box before in the past. This is a wonderful product. Pretty expensive if you've ever seen it in Sephora, but they did give this away to us for free. And I think they're doing the Dr. Brandt Luminizer this month. I'm not quite sure, but when you do go in and sign up, they'll let you know what your free gift will be. If you just want to sign up to try it, definitely do. You don't have to use my code, but if you're looking for something additional, go ahead and use my code. BoxyCharm will send you an additional gift when you sign up if you actually use the code. But if not, you can just sign up the regular way as well. That is it for this month's review of this BoxyCharm fixture featuring our Boxy Luxe. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Again, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and come on back and watch your future videos. Again, my name is BeautyByLinnoria, and thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, evening, or morning whenever you're watching it.